Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draft a shirt collar and how to cut it. So first of all, what we required for the shirt collar, the measurement, round neck measurement we required, round neck. Round neck is 14 inches. Okay. So first of all, the canvas, the collar fusing, you have to take a 3.5 inches width. So then the next video or anybody will ask how to take, how you'll calculate the 3.5. That I'll explain you later. If you ask me, then I'll explain you. But now take the 3.5, the collar fusing, then fold it in two parts. Just fold it, and the folding on fold part must have your side, and the open side you can keep opposite. Okay, now the round neck measurement, the round neck divided by 2, you should have to do 2. Why? Because we are doing an unfold. So round neck is 14, divided by 2 is 7. Just in the middle of the canvas you just mark 7 inches. Now you have to measure how much the collar width you wanted to keep. The collar width you can keep as per the design. This is depends on the design, the width of the collar. But this is a normal shirt collar, so I am taking 2 inches, or you can take 2 1/4 also. Okay, I'll take 2 1/4. This is 2 1/4. Now, now I say this is the straight. From here you can go away or out 3/8 and make a line match to this. Now take the hip curve. So on fold side, come down by just 1/4 inch and take the hip curve and match to this line. Okay, and remember, from the on fold to till 2 3 inches, which is going to be merged in the curve line, that till there it have to be straight. It should not be pointed. While you open the collar, it should not be pointed at the center. Okay, now this is your collar width. I kept 2 1/4. Here the back collar width can be taken 1.5 inch. Okay, how much we reduced? 3/4 inch we minused here. As the collar width we have taken here 2 1/4. Here I am taking 1.5. Okay, this calculation you can carry for any of the collar. Now reverse the hip curve and match to this point to this. Okay, your collar is ready. Now we'll make the collar band, and as I told you here also, you should keep the straight scale and match and see is it straight or not. It have to be straight. Make this straight and merge with this. Actually is going to be merge in this. It's perfect now. Now take L scale or straight scale. From this point to unfold you should keep straight like this. Okay, make a straight line. Now we are making the collar band. From the collar it must have to be out or away 3/4 inch. Then see, this is straight. Yeah, straight. Just take 3/8 cross. This is cross. Now come this side on unfold. You measure this. You got 1 1/4 here, the remaining collar fusing. So you just take this 1/4 inch up. This is 1 inch. Okay. So here you can take 3/4 inch. Back collar band width is 1 inch. Here will be 3/4. Now come to the half of the band, 30. Now after taking the 3/4 inch width collar band in the front. So 30% or 40% of the complete band width, mark a point here, and take slight curve and merge with this base. Okay, like this. Now take the hip curve and it have to be straight. It have to be straight and start merging with the base again, like this. It have to be curved and match to this. Okay, wait, I'll show you the cutting also. While cutting, you have to hold it properly, very tight. Why? Because inside layer will be very slippery, and while cutting, it's going to be move. So keep tight and cut it off like this. Done. Now take the one more layer for stiffness in the front side of the collar, uh, and you can place the bone also inside in this layer. Another one extra layer which we place to make the more stiff to the collar, the front collar. So cut off the shape same. And this side, the lower side, you can make it slight curve also, and make the two notches to hold the bone, collarbone, like this. This one, it's two. Yeah. So the collarbone like this it will be, and this you can place like this. The collarbone. See, it have to be point here. Then it's going to be, while pasting, it's going to be paste like this. So your collar bone will be permanently in the collar like this. Okay. Now I'll show you the band. That's it. Say this. This is the collar band, and this is your collar. So both are center like this. It have to be. Got it. This side. This will be this side. Now it's going to be pasted on the fabric separately like this, and it's going to be developed.